Hi, this is Maggie from Crafts the Charm. Welcome to a 2-minute technique. Today's technique is a painted galvanized metal effect. To do this, you're going to need whatever it is you want to paint. Some gray paint. I mixed mine from black and white, or you could use a gray paint such as Apple Barrel's Pewter Gray. You're going to need black paint, and you're going to need a metallic silver paint. And you're going to want a kitchen sponge or pieces of a kitchen sponge. So to start, you want to prepare your surface to be painted. In this example, I'm painting two different surfaces. One are these foam scatter, which have some glitter on them, so I covered them with Mod Podge before I painted them. And the other are these metal stars, so I just sanded them lightly before I painted them. And then, of course, I cleaned them off. Once your surface is ready to be painted, begin with a coat of the gray paint. So simply cover it with gray paint and then let that dry. Once the gray paint has dried, you're going to use your piece of sponge and start with the silver paint and dab the silver paint over your surface with the sponge. Then while that's still wet, you can dab some black paint over the surface and finish with more silver paint dabbed over the surface with the sponge. I would use two different pieces of sponge, one for the silver and one for the black, and just dab until you have it looking like a galvanized metal surface. Once that dries, you're going to want to seal it. I used a spray coat in this example, but you could also seal with Mod Podge. You just want to seal it so that the paint doesn't get scratched off. And that's it. Now you can make any surface look like galvanized metal. Here's my example, which is these stars that I put on this patriotic wall hanging. Happy crafting!